So step 3, so basically we've just got to walk the pre-assembly that we've done, walk it into position, locate it. So definitely a 2-man job this one, we'll just rotate it around. So what you can do, if you're in a particularly tight space, is you can take off one of these wall profiles, take it off from the wall, slot it on, and then you can just re-screw it back on. Some situations that might be a better method to do, but what I would do is if you locate the bottom in, just come up, should get it in position, and then just gives you enough. Making sure your fingers are clear. There you go. Get it into location. What is worth doing at this stage, because you've been moving around with the glass in position, it's worth just making sure those glass clamps are all still nicely tight in the correct position. That's the main thing. Just check those bottom ones. Yeah, see there's a bit of a gap down there. So what we're going to do is, that's not done it. Yeah, I'm just going to back that screw off. Press it down and re-tighten it up. There you go. So that's step 3 complete. So step 3, I just wanted to show you an alternative method, just in case you're struggling in tight situations or, well, just wanted to give you a different option basically. So what we've done is we've taken the ball gel off the wall in profile. So basically, if you just pre-assemble that onto there and then just walk it into location. So that's on. And then just simply screw it into place. Instead of forcing anything into a side space, if you find yourself needing a little bit of extra room, what I'll do is take it away from the wall and then fix it in. So join me in the next video, step 4, where we're going to be pre-assembling the rollers onto the glass.